Sup, Yon World? It's your boy Original Dion, and today on my YouTube channel, we talking about proof of weak hands. I wanted to go over proof of weak hands, my current position, and just make another video about it because this cryptocurrency project is very interesting to me. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for Yon World. I'll be doing videos like this every day pretty much, so just support my channel. Right now, proof of weak hands is going through a minor little dip, but it's nothing too big. Yesterday we saw the coin go all the way up to $10. A lot of people would naturally sell around that time, realizing profits, but you know, this is the original, so it's still, you know, $8.60. It's still above $8.60, and it can go to $9 in the next day. It can go to $10 the next day after that. So proof of weak hands, long-term stability is something I'm not worried about. I know people are buying into the, you know, proof of weak clones, all of the different clones, and they'll be back in a week. So I just wanted to, in this video, I wanted to talk about my position as it's increasing, you know, with people selling, and by the time they buy back, they're gonna have to, you know, buy back at a higher price, and they're gonna receive less tokens. So, I just wanted to go to my personal chart. You know, this is, I was just reading this, like my, each line is different. So you see this green line that's kind of just going, this is my book profit line. It goes up, then it's like it goes down, because right now I'm just purchasing, withdrawing, not really purchasing, reinvesting, not really withdrawing any profit. My dividends earning is this red line right here, and you can see how it's just been slowly on an upward trend. You know, my dividends line is going up. My referral line is pretty much, I got about 3 referrals, then it just flatline. This burgundy looking line is actually the line of my tokens. So you can see, like, when I first bought in, I started out with about 18 coins. April 3rd, you know, 18 coins, April 3rd. Then, you know, I bought up 3 days later, 41, then 46, 40. I made it to 47 coins by the 11th, and I had sold, you know, just to, you know, see what it was like to sell, how did the process work. And for me to get my money, it only took, like, for me to physically have the money in hand from the time I withdrew, it took me about 2 days, because it was all on business days, and I sent the money to Coinbase to a already linked bank account, you know, to cash out. So it only took about 2 days. And then literally from the 11th to the 13th, 2 days later, I bought 67 coins, right? So on the 13th, I bought 67 coins. And, you know, then I bought another 30 something, 40 something. So it put me at 101 right now. But, I wanted to show you guys my rank again. When I first did the video about my rank, I was at 1650, 1650, I believe. So let's just see, it's loading right now. Hold on. Yeah, right here. So my rank is 1500 current holdings, and then you see the token share. You see the amount of ETH I put in, my current token value, the times I invested, you know, times I reinvested, what I've withdrawn, you know. So you see everything right here, and I like this page a lot. You know, whoever developed this, I'm thinking about supporting and, you know, buying with your master node, because this is great. Yeah, so that's my video for today. I'm gonna leave it like that. I plan on doing more reoccurring videos. On a side note, follow me on Twitter, POWH3D _GIF. That's me. And I plan on, having one of the most popular, or just the biggest, Proof of Weekend social media, like as far as a Twitter account goes. I just want to, have this, just to build on and to bring more people in. But yeah, I'm getting a lot of followers and I'm following everybody. So, follow me on Twitter. Follow me on YouTube. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all of that good stuff. Engage with my channel. It's your boy, Yon World. Peace.